Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Guess where I am? I'm actually back in Murree, and this time I'm actually having food. I'm just having lunch right now, and just check out the views. Let me just flip the camera. Check out the views right here. So if you are on the Mall Road, there is KFC, and right next to KFC there, like, it's on the first floor, there is a restaurant, and they have this terrace view. So I am having my food over here, and this is the view. It's just beautiful. Okay, you can see, can you look at that road, how tiny it looks, the cars on it. It's just amazing. Let me just try to do a bit of a zoom. Kind of like modern engineering marvel, how they have all the houses scattered around in the mountains. Just check out this road though. Going from here all the way up there. It just gets lost in the valleys. And even here you could check it out. I think this is also part of like the Mall Road, all of this. This is more kind of like, you know, scattered and congested all together. And this is the other view as well. Yep. Hello again. So in Murree, from the Kashmir Point, if you come a little bit downwards, there is a park which is called PIA Park. It's the very first time I'm actually going in there, so you will be actually exploring it with me. So come along. Oh, wow. It seems to be like a small, cozy type of a park, but then it's really like beautiful. I love the flowers. So, inauguration of the PIA Park was done by me and Mohammed Nawaz Sharif. Oh, it was on 25th December 2011 by Nawaz Sharif. Okay. Something written over here. I don't know what it says, but something like 300 and PHA. So, it's like they have done like plantation, flowers, and nice. That looks beautiful. A peacock. Okay. So, peacock is supposed to be having like small potted plants over here, and I'm assuming they're going to be filled with flowers, so that when the flower blossom, peacock actually has a beautiful, colorful tail to go with it, and some statues of animals. Oh, you could actually explore the point from here. It's kind of like the same view. If you're standing at Kashmir Point, you'll be getting the same valley view as well. And I think last time I was told that the mountain range which is away from this last one that you see here, behind that is Kashmir. So let's go on. Let's say hello to the lion. Hello, lion. This is a lion. He doesn't speak, he's very shy. So you can come Oh, and he moves as well, so don't push him too hard. And there's some deers over there. Oh, and look at that house. It's so beautiful. That's like a dream. Oh, you also have like a path going from here and downward. Okay, so this is all like still part of the park, and some wall decoration going on over here. And oh, okay, I suppose like this was supposed to have water, and then you could be having a small walk on the water. Okay, some more statues of wildlife. Okay, I think one of them has fallen over as well. Okay. All right, so where you see the green boundary, that's like still the park is going on. I'm just going upwards though. And still, you have some place over here to rest. And very nice, cozy place. Okay, so you also have a pathway coming from there. Okay, this is one boundary, and you have some slides over here, gazebo, some more rides over there, some slides and swings for the kids, and all that is like the boundary of the park. And here, a small peacock. Okay. And what else is there? I actually like this park. Seems like, you know, so small and cozy and surrounded with greenery. Oh, there's a way up, but up where? Shall I go and check it out? Oopsie. Okay, that's about it. There is a passage over here, but it's like not the proper way, but I think it must be another point where you could just stand and admire all the views around you. Okay, let's go down. Whoops. Okay, so finally you come over here, and this is the end. But just look at this. I think they must have made a clearance over here so that if they want to have any sort of an event in the park, that could happen as well. And in the meanwhile, you are just going to be surrounded with peace and calm. Okay, and it's away from here. I told you, like, if you come down, then that's where all the swings are. Check it out later. Look guys, see what did I discover? This is a snail. Okay, that's the head of it, and that's the shell. It's the body. Look at this. This is a snail. How beautiful is that, just to see that in the nature. You know, I always imagined that it's got like a bigger shell, but it's just like a tiny shell and such a long body. It goes so slowly as well. Look at that. So beautiful. going so slow as a sloth. And look at this. This is my finger and this is the ladybug. How tiny. Let me just try to focus. See? A ladybug. How beautiful. Okay, so this is like, I've already done the unboxing, but just to like, you know, this is nature and this is the travel bag. So convenient. Alright, I'm just sitting over here. It's like a big rock. And this is like, you're surrounded by trees all around you. Only God knows exactly how old are they, but it's like so beautiful and peaceful. You know, you come over here and you're surrounded with nature and the fresh air, and you have flowers and the sounds of the insects and the birds creeping. Oh, okay, the crow, he's also there. He's like, I'm there as well. It just makes you feel relaxed. You can just forget about everything. Enjoy. Well guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, until next time, much love. God bless. Bye.